Are we having fun yet? Stick around, we're going to talk about how fun is a huge part of attracting what you want. Did you know that your ability to allow yourself to have fun has a direct connection to how much you're attracting in your life? That's what we're going to talk about today. So welcome to my channel. My name is Max Ryan. I'm a spiritual teacher. I'm a law of attraction trainer, and I'm also an intuitive. And everything that we do on this channel is to help you to attract positive results in your life. And that's what we're going to talk about today. More specifically about the law of attraction and your capacity for fun. If you've been watching for any length of time, you know that we've done 2 other videos about why you're not attracting what you want in your life, and we're going to do the 3rd one today, and it's all about your capacity for fun. You know, here's the deal. I talked about it before. We'll put the links below so you can see it, maybe up there too. It's really important that we stay in a vibration that feels good. And if we aren't in a vibration that feels good in any way, what we're going to attract is anything that's not in that vibration. Do you get it? You get it? So just to recap really quickly, your vibration is your feelings. And ultimately, if you are feeling bad, you're going to attract bad, right? We can all relate to that we feel bad sometimes, right? But you know what? Here's the deal. If you really want to attract things that feel good for you, then you got to feel good. And one of the things I think most people miss is that they really don't have a capacity for fun in their life. Fun is a huge, high vibration. So, you know, populating your life with things that bring up fun for you is really important. If you've been watching these videos for a while, you can see I've got a lot of fun. I have lots of princesses, I have lots of stars that I've met and everything, because they're fun. They make me feel good. And I try to populate my life with things that make me feel good. Experiences, images, princesses, it doesn't matter what it is, but it might be something different for you. Most people are not allowing themselves to populate their life with things that are fun. So I have a challenge for you. If you really do want to start attracting things that make you feel good in your life, it could be a guy, it could be a girl, it could be a job, it could be money, whatever it is. I'm going to challenge you after this video to write down 3 things that will make you feel more fun. It doesn't matter what it is, as long as you connect with that thing deep inside that says, that's so fun. That's your challenge, because as soon as you start to do that, you're going to start to attract more things that make you feel good and make you feel fun. So it's all about doing the work, right? Doing the work a little bit at a time so that you have big results. See, little steps make big results consistently, right? Good. So please put in the comments below what it is that makes you feel fun, and then we'll all support you with our comments. And as you support others, you support yourself. So hopefully all of these videos have really helped you to understand why you're not attracting what you want. It's all about fun. It's all about fun. If you don't have fun, you can't expect to feel good about your life, right? All right. Well, thank you so much. And if this this video helped you in any way, I'd encourage you to hit the like button, subscribe, and share it with friends, because there's a lot of people out there that might need some inspiration and might need a little fun in their life, right? Okay. Well, thanks. Remember, today could be the best day of your life, and that's the truth. I will see you really soon. Have a wonderful day.